So what's the difference between scale and resize? The Pfaff Creative Icon actually has both features. So we were just playing around with an option of how to get 4 blocks from our Embroidery Essentials online course on your screen and be able to stitch it out in your largest hoop. So I'm done with these designs, so just a reminder to delete everything really fast and easy. Touch and hold the screen. There's 4 separate designs on here, so I'm looking for the delete all option. Are you sure? Yes, I am. Touch OK. All right, so that's how we clear things out. So we were actually using a design from, like I said, our downloaded collection of designs that you get with the online course. And let's just bring in that cutwork design just all by itself. So when you go to Edit, Edit has the option where we can move it, we can rotate it, and we can also scale this. So scale means that we can take a corner and go in or out 20%. So you see how it kind of stops eventually. When I want to undo something, remember you have the undo, so I'm kind of back to what it originally started at. But here's the thing with scale. You have the ability to size it, but the stitch count stays the same. Now that's why 20% up is about your limit. That means we're not going to start spreading out those stitches too much that you're going to see gaps in between. Vice versa, when you slide them together, you are going to have a little denser design when it's all stitched out because it does have the same amount of stitches. So I'm going to go ahead and undo that 2 times back to our regular one. So with the design selected, that's how you get all these icons actually active. There's a new one on your screen with a butterfly, 2 butterflies, a small one and a large one. If you're unsure which one I'm touching, touch the question mark and then touch that icon. It says resize. Okay, so scale was the first one. Resize is the second one. Touch to reduce or increase an embroidery design. Now I did touch this just to confirm what I'm going to tell you here. Read more about resize. It takes you over to the Help Center to the exact page where you can read all about what that icon actually will be doing. And as we read through here, we are seeing that it's actually going to change the stitch count. So if I go ahead and touch this, green is active. Now we can go ahead, pick that butterfly paired up again, and then just touch a corner and watch what's going to happen. Look at the size. Now I probably wouldn't want to do it that small, but look, we can actually make it bigger. So the benefit of doing it in this section with the resize at the top of your screen is that if this had 10,000 stitches when we started, it now has, I'm going to just guess, 40,000 stitches now because of the size that we've made it. Density is all going to stay the same, but of course the distance it needs to go, it's adding a lot more stitches. So once you touch OK, that's going to recalculate all those stitches, and if we were to go to embroidery stitch out, we'll see that it's going to take a lot longer to stitch out. But if you want to have the density kept the same, you need to touch the design, go into resize, and then make sure you choose resize and then adjust from there. Love the size up here, that's telling you the size of the design, but being able to take that to the biggest size of your hoop, oh my gosh, that would be something fun to do. All right, touch OK and get ready to stitch because that's going to take a while, but now you have the density that you're looking for.